Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So we are starting our second session for today. So first, let me recap the previous things we have covered so far. And this is very important thing. These are not things that you have lot of things to remember. These things will be used in regular, and they are very important. Then we'll use. First thing we have started with properties of ism. There are two main things basically nowadays we are discussing. One is we have started with this big one important thing we have explained on the first day. The Quranic word, they can be either ism, noun, or harf. So the two main thing we are discussing nowadays, verb, which we are covering in the session one. The second in session we are doing about the noun. So, and the first topic about the noun is properties of noun. So how many properties of noun? There are four: status, gender, number, type. Up till now, we have finished gender, number, and type. When we say gender, so how many types gender can be? It can be muzakkar or muannas, means masculine or feminine. The second is number, singular or dual or plural. In Arabic, there are three numbers: singular, dual, and plural. The last type we have discussed last week, that is type, tism. Tism is there are two types. One is common noun or proper noun in English. In Arabic, we say ism nakara or ism marfa. Again, what we have to remember that properties uh, of noun, there are four properties: status, gender, number, type. Status we did not discuss yet, but when we it comes to the gender, masculine, feminine. Number, there are three: singular, dual, plural. Type, common noun and proper noun. Then there are some exception that if we just the last week we have discussed about common noun and proper noun. Uh, Let me go. Okay. Common noun is nakara, and second is type is proper noun. For common, for overall, for this some type of the noun, one important thing, a noun in the Arabic language is considered as common unless there is a reason for it to be proper. What are the reason? We have five reason for the proper noun. Number one, it can be a name, any name, place name, person name, that will be a proper name. Any noun starts with al, that will be clearly al, that is basically proper noun. All attached and detached pronouns, huwa, hum, anta, antum, or ana, nahnu, and kitabuka, rasuluhu, rasulukum, whenever there is attached pronoun, that attached pronoun is basically, that is also pronoun. Then we have covered that all asmaul ishara, pointers, they will be proper noun. Pointers mean, this is very important for vocabulary as well. Haza, this, hazihi, feminine of haza, that also mean this. Plural of haza and hazihi is ha ulai, these. Zalika, that, tilka, that. And will be plural of both will be ulaika, mean those. And the last thing is, whenever you will see these are conjunctive nouns. They are called asmaul masula. Allazi, allazina, allati, allati, allazi, the one who. Very important vocabulary. They are proper noun. Okay, but important thing also, they comes a lot, the meaning. Allazi, the one who. Plural of allazi is allazina. Ya ayyuhallazina. Alladina, those who. Allati, the one who for feminine. Allati or Allahi, uh, plural of feminine, those who for feminine. So these are the things that we have covered last week. Today we will go to very important thing, and that is about the gender status. So for the before going to the status, this table which is coming in front of us, it's very important. And status is very important overall from all the properties. Okay, you will know that it's singular or feminine. You will see the translation and you will help. It is common noun, proper noun, it is singular, dual, or plural. That will not be a big problem. Just list is there. Whenever you forget, open that. But these status, that is very important. That is little bit different, but very easy to understand and very important. But before going to that, what is this status? First, think about any single noun, Muslim, Muslimun. You will see this Muslimun in three forms. It can be Muslimun, it can be Musliman, it can be Muslimin. So we have never think over this, that why it is, if it is why it has different form, why sometime I see it is in the form of Muslimun, meaning is same, one Muslim. Musliman, again one Muslim. Muslimin, one Muslim. Meaning is same, but their shape is different. What is the difference in their shape? Their ending sound. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. Similarly, while doing the verb, when we say Fatihun, the one who opens, the plural is Fatihuna, Fatihina. There are also two sounds, Fatihuna, Fatihina, both have the same meaning, those who open. Why? Second thing, if you see here, the plural of Muslimun is Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. First thing is, it's very important that we should know that this singular three form, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. For dual, again three form, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini. Second and third are same, but we should know there are three forms, three shape. So plural is Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. Ending sound. From the ending sound, you will see that there for every noun there will be three sound. But before going into the detail, first let me ask somebody from here. I will start with the Arham.
Yes, Uncle. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Arham, can you please fit here on the Muslim chart, Mu'minun?
Yes. Mu'minun, mu'minan, mu'minin, mu'minani, mu'minaini, mu'minaini, mu'minuna, mu'minina, mu'minina.
Okay, if I say Mu'minun, what is the meaning?
One believer.
Mu'minan.
Two believers.
My God. Mu'minan, two believer?
Oh, no. Mu'minan is also one believer,
And
but it's
Mu'minin?
one believer.
Mu'minani.
Two believers.
And Mu'minaini?
Two believers.
And Mu'minuna?
More than two believers.
Plural. And Mu'minina?
Say more than two believers.
Okay, thank you. Let me go. Anusha.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can you please fit here Kafirun on this Muslim chart and complete it?
Okay. Kafirun, kafiran, kafirin, kafirani, kafiraini, kafiraini, kafiruna, kafirina, kafirina.
Kafirin. Kafirun means?
One disbeliever.
And Kafiran and Kafirin?
One disbeliever.
Kafirani?
Two disbelievers.
And Kafiraini?
Two disbelievers.
Kafiraini?
Two disbelievers.
Kafiruna?
Disbelievers.
Okay, and Kafirina?
Disbelievers.
Okay, yeah.
Multiple.
So you will see that every single, we know that from the number, that the noun have three in number, it can be singular, dual, and plural. Okay, we already knew that. And then for when we say the singular, it will have three shapes and ending sound is different. Like in singular, all three sound you will see. In dual, you will see the second and third, they will be same. Plural also the same thing. The second and third will be same. Still it is. Okay, we will do more practice here until this table should be on your fingertips. then you cannot understand the status. And this is very important Muslim chart. I would go to Azan Asif.
Yes.
Go ahead and fit here Nasirun. Nasirun mean
Helper.
helper. First thing we should say meaning. Now your next task is to fit Nasir in the whole table. This
Nasirun. Nasirun. Nasirin. Nasirani. Nasiraini. Nasiraini. Nasiruna. Nasidina. Nasidina.
Nasirun means Nasirun means
It
you see
means
here. What is the meaning of Nasirun?
helper.
Helper. Nasiran.
Helper.
Nasirin.
Helper.
Nasirani.
Two helpers.
Nasiraini.
Two helpers.
Nasiruna.
Helpers.
Okay, helpers. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, I would go to Nisar. Go ahead, Nisar. Fit here Sajidun.
Sajidun, Sajidan, Sajidin, Sajidani, Sajidaini, Sajidaini, Sajiduna, Sajidina, Sajidina.
Thank you. Sajidun means
Prostrate.
prostrator, the one who do
Single.
sajda. Sajidani.
Two prostrator.
Sajidina.
More than two prostrator.
Yeah, plural. Thank you. And similarly, we will go for feminine. Feminine, Muslimun, and instead of Muslimun, it will be Muslimatun, one feminine. So let me ask somebody from here. Can I ask Sister Rehana?
Muslimatan, Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin. Muslimatani, Muslimataini, Muslimataini. Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin.
Okay. Your next task will you have to fit here Mu'minatun.
Muminatun, Muminatin, Muminatan, Muminatin. Muminatani, Muminataini, Muminataini. Muminatanun, Muminatani, Muminatanin.
The last one we have to fit again. Mu'minatun.
Muminatun, Muminatin, Muminatin.
Thank you. Mu'minatun means
One Muslim believer, one believer.
One feminine believer. Mu'minatani.
Two feminine believer.
Mu'minatun.
More than two feminine believers.
Thank you. Okay, let me go first. One more example we will do here. Umar Ahmad. Umar Ahmad.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, ya Umar. Jannatun.
Jannatun, Jannatan, Jannatin, Jannatani, Jannataini, Jannataini, Jannatun, Jannatin, Jannatin.
Jannatun is feminine or masculine?
Feminine.
Why? How you recognize this is feminine?
Because ta marbuta at the end.
Ta marbuta at the end. Sometime we have to see that garden and ta. So this is just a practice for that we have three. We already know that, and whenever we see Quran, any noun will have three forms. Either it is singular, dual, plural. And the status that what we have to do, there are three status for every noun. It will be rafa, nasab, jar. Again, these are just terminologies. Rafa, it is raf'un, rafa status, nasab status, and jar status. Again, this Muslimun meaning is same, but there Musliman, Muslimin. What is the why? Meaning is same. And why ending sound, all the on in singular, ending sound is on, an, in. If it is on, rafa status. And it is called nasab status. In jar state, we have to, this terminology we have to say again: rafa, nasab, jar. Similarly, instead of muslimun, it is muslimani, ani, aini. That's why we did when we, okay, muslimani rafa, muslimaini nasab, again muslimaini jar status, muslimuna rafa status in plural, muslimina and muslimina both have it is nasab and it is jar. So nasab and jar in dual and plural, they are same. Similar, that's why when we did this, let's say daraba, we say daribun, that is singular. Daribuna, daribina, meaning is same, but their ending sound is different, their status is different. So let me go, brother Talha.
Yes, brother.
Your task is to fit here daribun. You know the meaning of daribun means?
Sorry, Bon.
The one who hit.
Oh yeah, zarab lagane wala.
Yeah, hitter. Okay, just fit here.
The one who hits. Okay. Hitter. Sorry. Zaribun, zariban, zaribin, zaribani, zaribaini, zaribaini, zaribuna, zaribina, zaribina.
Okay. What is daribun? What is the status?
Raf'un.
Rafan status, or we can say normally rafa status.
Rafa.
Dariban.
Nasbun. Nasabun.
Nasbun. Okay. Daribin.
Jarru.
Jar status. So how we will recognize ending sound? In singular,
Yes.
you will find all three forms: un, an, in. But in dual form, you will see ana, aini, both. It can be nasab, it can be jar. And okay, dari. If I say, what is the difference between daribuna and daribina? Daribuna is,
Raf'un.
and
Rafa.
daribina is
Nasab.
nasab and
Jar.
jar. Both have same. And then when we will use them, we will see that is it nasab or jar. That is another thing. Thank you. So in singular now is un, an, in, rafa, nasab, jar. In dual, it will be ani, aini. This is nasab and jar. Una, rafa, ina and ina, that is nasab and jar. This is just a summary. When it comes in singular case, all three, un, an, in. And in dual case, how you will recognize? Ani will be rafa, aini and aini, they are nasab and jar. And how you will recognize plural? Ending sound. Una, ina. Una will be rafa, ina will be nasab or jar. Okay, now my question is here. I will go to Turhan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum. Turhan, I am not interested for the meaning. We know the abid mean worshipper. Abidani. Can you please tell me the status of abidani? Is it rafa, nasab or jar?
Rafa.
Rafa. Okay. Its status is rafa. You are absolutely right. So is it singular or dual?
Dual.
Dual. And ani. Ending sound is ani. That's why this is rafa. Very nice. Good job. Next, I will go to, thank you, Brother Tamur.
It's
Okay.
status is jar, it's singular.
Jar, it is a jar, and also it is singular. Also, yeah, that is also another knowledge that we can even recognize it is singular. And also it is the important thing, status is jar. Sajidin. What will be the rafa status, Brother Tamur, for Sajidin?
Sajidun.
And what is nasab status?
Sajidan.
Saj. This is what, and if we knew this one, it will be very easy. Okay. Next is, I would go to, let me see, Tamia.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Tamia. Mu'minuna. Question is, what is the status?
Rafa.
Rafa. And also, can you please tell me it is singular, plural, or dual?
Plural.
Plural. And you said it is rafa status. Now next question with the same. What is the nasab and jar status of mu'minuna?
For nasab, it's mu'minina, and for jar, it's mu'minina.
Very good. This is there. So just we have to practice on this. Okay. Next is kafirun. Shifa.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Okay. Tell me the status for kafirun.
Kafirun is Rafa.
What is nasab and jar for kafirun?
Kafirun and Kafirin.
In dual case, what is rafa status for kafirun in dual?
Kafirani.
And in plural case, what is nasab status?
Kafirina.
Thank you. Next is, okay, hiba. Okay, so we have nasiraini. What is the status for nasiraini?
Nasab or jar?
That is a
Nasab.
nasab and jar. Yes.
And jar,
And if my question is it singular, dual, or plural?
It's dual because of the aini sound.
Aini sound. So it is dual. Okay. What is the what is the singular rafa status for nasiraini?
Nasiran or nasirin.
Rafa status.
Oh, Rafa status Nasirun.
Nasirun. What is the plural?
Nasiruna.
And what is nasirina? If I say nasirina, what will be the status?
Nasab or jar.
Nasab or jar. Nasab or jar. Thank you. So last, I would go to. Time is difficult to choose someone. Saad, long time. No see. Yeah, Saad. Wa alaikum assalam. Kafiruna. Question is it rafa or nasab?
Kafiruna is Rafa because the ending sound is una.
And is it singular or dual?
It is plural.
Plural. What is nasab for kafiruna?
Kafirina.
Jar.
Also kafirina.
Yeah, this is what. If we know by just a single class, we know the rafa nasab jar, that's a lot of things. That's matter a lot. We have to go to the breakout room. I think we have, yeah, we can spend 5 or 6 minutes in breakout room, and then we'll inshallah finish. Just to practice on this.